Good morning, everyone. It is October 6th, 8:30. A little bit behind. Uh, running late. Hope the boss don't fire me. Yesterday, Amazon was up $76. They're down 22 this morning. Looks like Apple's down a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and get these charts. I'm going to go ahead and get these charts going. I don't know. Just waking up. Crazy. Alright. Yeah, I don't like these. 15. 1 hour. Alright, so yeah, just mine. So we got 1, 2, 3. Looks like we're going up here. A little bit of a reversal. Back up, so we're making lower lows. So we got 1, 2 on the downside. This is the hourly chart we are putting in. Looks like a hammer candle here. 1, 2, 3. Kind of looks like we're going up here. So we're down right now, $20. Let's take a look at how expensive they are. Let me just get my bearings straight. Alright. Amazon's down $20 on the day. Trading options, October 9th. A call in the money will cost you $4,400. Okay. So for $5,500, we can get 58 cents on the dollar. That's for a call. We've been going for 2 minutes now. Let's go to this 5-minute real quick. Just pulling a reversal candle off that big dip. So nothing that really shows you what's happening. It looks like it wanted to come back up on the MACD and it kind of flattened out when it got to this point. Looks like we will have a little bit of some resistance in this area from this peak here. Looks like we got a little bit of support right here in this valley. And this is just on the 1 minute. We got a head and shoulders and then a dip down. Go off that red line, which is how much? 31.77. Okay, so now we're breaking down through there. Let's back to the 5-minute. I don't know if you guys can see how this works. I mean, it might be a little blurry for you, but I'm looking for supports. I got supports in this area, and I'll have resistance in this area at 85, and then at 92. So at 85 and 92, then we're going to 3,200. We're at 77 right now, and we're 22 down. So 31.99. Oh, excuse me. What was our high? 32.02. Okay. So looks like we might go and try to test 32.02. Let's look at this daily for Amazon. Coming up. And we got that reversal. Now we're in consolidation. So our next point we need to break is this close of 32.21. 31.99. Huh. That's a tricky one. Alright. So let's go 4-hour chart, see if we got something. Uppity reversal. So it's uptrend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a reversal. Okay. We made a new lower low. And then we have a lower high. But we did get above here, so our next spot would be 31.91. We're just trying to find support right now, and then maybe we can buy in on a call. I just don't see the support like right now. Okay, right there. What's the low here? Low 31.61. Just now. Oh, in the last hour. That could have been 30 minutes ago or something. 31.61 is the low. Happened right off the bat. 2 5s. Get this shooting star candle, and then we got this hammer candle. We got this, and then a reverse. Well, we're still on this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, kind of. But then we got 1, 2, 3 now. Outside on the MACD, it's turned down, so we got downward pressure. It's a tough decision right now. I'm just kind of confused. Just wait. If I don't know, then I don't know. I'm not gonna just throw money out there because it'll be about $5,500. So I'm not really. Let's get rid of that yellow line. That's probably from yesterday. It helped me clear my head a little bit there. All right, let's see. Let's say I'm bringing this down a little bit here. Maybe 75. Bring that red line down to about 75. I was kind of being support at one time. 73. Triple Qs. Nasdaq's in the negative. SPY. Positive. Well, okay, we're 6.5 minutes in. Haven't really did a thorough video. I just kind of woke up and went to it. So, what are we missing? The answer is here somewhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. You gotta be on a bigger time frame in there. The daily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's lower low. So now what? We're just in consolidation, and you can pick and choose what you want to do today. So what the answer is? Just do whatever you want, and it'll all work out for you, huh? Maybe. On the hourly, this is bent over, right? So I don't want to go against this big hourly, to the downside. And we are in an uptrend on the daily, but we're in consolidation right now. So the best idea would be go with this for a little bit, but don't get into it. Don't get into it too heavy because you don't want to go against that trend. Decisions. Yeah. All right. So, wow. So I drew a box around this consolidation. On the daily chart, I drew some consolidation because we made a lower low. And then we're going back up. And then we're still in the green days, so I don't really know where we're at, but something I don't really know. I mean, it's slowing down here. 4 hours got bright red. 1 hour, oh my gosh. 1 hour's got bright red. This is the 15-minute chart. All right, we're getting ready to close on this 15-minute candle. We've got went up a little bit, and then we got all pulled back, and then it came up a little bit. So it's just down a little bit right now. I think we opened up negative $22. Went down $13 There's nothing telling me here. I don't know. I mean, we do have 1, 2, 3 now. We are getting down to this point. and crossing that point. So I think we did cross that. Are we just ready to go down for a little bit? Maybe. I don't know if we're ready for all this, but we came all the way down here and then we reversed it yesterday. So our next stop would be, I guess, $20 down here. Put in the money, 5,600, 55. Go down and fill that gap, maybe. 55.30 put filled, -20. You get 56 cents on the dollar, about 50 cents away. 50 cents away from right there, so 59, $1 away. 59. This ain't so slow. 59, roughly. All right, we'll go with 59. Who knows if that's right? All right. So that'll be my first line. Well, guess not. Now I'm $1 down. Okay, so I bought it. Huh. All right. Well, whatever. So anyway, got to put around this area, so we'll watch it, and then we've got support right here. We broke through this line of support right here, made a new low. Who knows? That might be considered a double bottom, and we might take off to the upside. Well, I originally thought it was at 59. I can't seem to break positive, so. All right. Well, I got a put, and it's the 31.75 put. Expire on Friday, 10:09. So we'll watch it for a minute, and then hopefully I can come up with a zero number because I thought it was 31.59 at first. It's still saying I'm just below $2, just above $1 off. So I was just going the wrong direction, probably. $5 off. I was going the wrong direction again. Maybe that's a little more accurate. So 31.55, $3 off. Okay, we'll go with 31.55, and then right here will be our next, roughly our line of support. We have this support way down here. Support. We got some support here. This peak will connect this support, which we're right there right now at 31.60. You can go to a higher frame on the 4-hour, see where our next support is. This peak, 31.39, and then we could probably close in that gap. So we do have support here at 31.40. yeah, I don't really. I mean, other than that, we can try to scalp this and watch it really close. Once we start making money, start getting close to, pulling the trigger on getting out of here. Um, let's see. All right. So it looks like I'm $3 ahead right now. So yeah, that's about right. Okay. Start thinking about getting out of here when I'm up 358. My average calls was 55.30. Excuse me. If we start breaking down, I don't even know how long we can. I gotta find another. I gotta find something. I gotta find something to reference here. This consolidation. So I guess there was some real support here. That's $13 away. Gotta find something. Okay. Practice hourly. I'll catch up when I figure out something. I'll catch up. All right, so this is a 5 minute chart. It kept on going down. I bought another one here and it came down some more. I was doing the math, see where my 1,000 was, and it kind of bounced back up. So it looks like I got up to 750 up and tried to average my cost up and keep on going down, but it looks like it got a little bit of a bounce here. So that's about my zero right there at was that 51? Right there at that 51 is about my zero. So we'll keep an eye on that mark. And right now I'm at $1.12, so $112 a dollar. So it was overbought on this 5 minute chart. So I mean oversold on the 5 minute chart. So people are starting to buy it back up a little bit. Um, we're still turned down. We're a little oversold on this 15 minute chart. We're not quite oversold on this hourly chart. Um, that's the one we're going to keep an eye on. 151. Yeah, that's pretty accurate. That 31.51 for my zero. Um, I can make that a little bit smaller, maybe. Shoot, forgot what number that was. Was it 53? I can't remember. I just wanted to make these bigger so I could see, so you could see them, but it's not working. Still turning down, still turning down. I'm up just a little bit right now. I don't know how long I want to hold this. The hourly is getting ready to close in about a minute and a half. Still haven't really found support, I guess. you could consider this support for right now. My low here, 31.45. I move this up to 31.45. I can see where it hits. Yep, top of this. So that's a pretty good support. Top of that peak. We want to try to break down through it now, of course, but I should have kept an eye on that and got rid of them as it went to that point. But instead, I bought one because I thought it was going to keep on breaking. So until then, I'll catch up here in a little bit. Well, we can watch this close together in 45 seconds. I'll just come back. All right. So after the hourly close, this is the candle we got in that first hour, which is really 8 to 9. So half of it's only the intraday. Anyway, came down here, found some support, and it bounced up a little bit. Now we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're working on 6 here. In order, I think our next resistant line will be about right here. So we'll just change that white. I don't want to get it confused with green, but yeah, I took a hit because I was adding onto my position to get to that 1,000 and wasn't paying attention to that support line we had over here somewhere. Where was it? I don't know where we found that support at, but we did find that support at 31.45, and now it's shooting to the upside. So we'll just keep an eye on it for a little bit. Just remember, I'm getting my zero is 31.51. I'm getting like $1.20 now, $1.10 on the dollar, and we're up 12. So we're really looking forward to maybe bounce off there and come back down. But everything was oversold quite a bit, so it's time to buy back up on those. Looks like it's starting to turn up on the 5. We'll run through these real quick. 5-minute chart starting to turn back up a little bit. And then the 1-minute chart, got quite a bit of momentum to the upside on the 1 minute. We're just, got a reversal candle on the 15, but it just started 3 minutes ago. And the 1 hour chart, we're still burning down pretty good. So we just look for some resistance, and hopefully we don't break through, and hopefully we just keep continuing to stair step. Hopefully we're shooting for that gap, which that was my thought, it was shooting for that gap, but because I couldn't really find support, everything was negative, and it looks like everything is getting ready to turn positive again for the day. It's 9 o'clock, so we'll see. We're 30 minutes in, and I'll catch up. All right, I'm back. So I ended up having 2 of them. It went against me. It got all the way up to 31.70. So I tried to buy another one. I think I did, and roughly the price was 31.66. So this is the average of those 3 prices. So I'm in between here, roughly for my zero, in between 55 and 53. That's 10, 11, 12 bucks away, roughly. We'll see. I've got some kind of resistance right here. I got this valley. It breaks through, but comes back out, and then I got this valley right here, and then it kind of is bumping up against 31.70. Whether it breaks through or not, I'm not sure. We've got a couple minutes left on this 30-minute chart. You can see that slowed down. We got a reversal right here. It was looking better a few minutes ago when I bought. I might have jumped the gun a little early, but we'll see. We've got some resistance right here where it's at right now on the 30-minute chart. So hopefully it respects it. If not, we've got this one as well. So we've got a tough road for going up. So I've got 3 contracts right now. I think they're paying $1.65 a dollar. So we're really hoping for some resistance right here. Maybe a little bit of pushback back down. But we opened up at negative 122 for Amazon, and we're $10 behind that. So I mean, we're still pushing down. The daily chart is looking a little bit better. It opened up at 165, and we're just a dollar above that, above the open. But you can see we closed way up here yesterday, and then we opened up down here. So we might be able to turn that into a negative, push it back down. It's really close. I mean, it's off a dollar, so we'll see what happens. We're definitely getting a lot of pushback right now. So yeah, open at 31.65. So we'll keep an eye on that. Other than that, it's just kind of a wait game, and then if it keeps on going higher, and another $20, $25. If it hits 31.90, I'll have to buy another one, and then we'll raise it up here. So then we'll be $30 behind. But yeah, just going off support and resistance lines where we should buy, and it's starting to turn up on the 15. The daily chart's still up in that green. It was a tough decision to buy a put this morning because of the daily chart. We're still turned down here. That'll change a little bit in an hour. We're getting ready to close that 30-minute candle. So it's the same size as that last candle. So that's a sign of a reversal to the upside. So we will have to just watch. It's going to want to peak up a little bit, but we've got resistance right here, basically at that yellow line. So we'll see. Hopefully, I mean, it just keeps on flopping down, but we got a little ways to go yet, so we'll just be patient, and I'll catch up. All right, so we're back. This is my zero at 31.53. Hold on. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're working on 5 on the 15-minute chart. We haven't made we got a 1, 2, 3 on the hourly, so it's going to take some time to go in our favor. We can come all the way up here with the green before we drop back down. So it's still red velocity on the hourly. We're getting smaller on the 15-minute chart. So I mean, we're just watching it. We were up quite a bit right here. I wasn't around, didn't see it. So it would have been $5 plus at like $1.65, I believe. So we've been real close at that point. I don't know. We'll catch up. All right. So I was able to sell 2 of them about this line, and then I was waiting waiting for the price to go back up some more or keep going down, and I ended up selling for less because it was going against me. I didn't quite make $1,000. I made $980, and it took me about an hour and 45 minutes. But I'm dealing with these guys. Hey, no hitting buttons. So trying to concentrate, trying to sell. Didn't quite work out. I was up 1,400 at one point. I missed all those selling points. I made $980. I'm gonna call it a day. I'll be back with the Robinhood stats here shortly. All right, I'm back. It's a little bit quieter now. I missed out on a few bit of money right here, but it is what it is. 1 second. All right, I'm back again. So I bought that original one. I don't know if that was it. 1 second. All right, we'll try this one more time. So I bought one. it started going in my favor, so I bought another one, and then it started going against me. So yeah, that's right here. So I bought one, started going in my favor, it went against me. No, let's see. Bought one, went in my favor, bought another, went against me. I bought a third one to lower my cost just a little bit. It brought my average to about right here, back to normal plane. So that was my zero. It went up, came back through, went up, came back through quite a bit, and then I sold two of them at this red line. And then I was kind of waiting for it to um, keep on working for me. That last one, keep on working for me. It was going against me. I had the kids. They were playing in here, so it was kind of turned into chaos. So I bailed out. I was up 1,400 at one point, and look, if I would have just been patient, all this would have been mine. That would have been like a buck, $165 to $170 on the dollar from here. So we're looking at that's almost $20 difference right there. I don't even know what that is. 3,000. I've been roughly around 3,000 bucks. I've been up, but I wasn't patient enough. So we watched this stair step on the 1 hour chart. It went up, reversed, and then it had this consolidation right here that we broke through. So we had kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 7 was big. And then that gap is right here that we were talking about close. So you'll find some support probably about right here. It might come up a little bit, and then it might close. It might hit here and go all the way off, but you're looking at support around here, around this 33 mark. Let's see, it opened at 32.81. Your low is 33.75. So you're looking at some support right here. Whether it breaks through there or not, I'm not sure. Yeah, I try to be patient, but when there's other things going on, it's hard to be patient. So here's the plays for Amazon October 5th, 2 hours ago. So I bought that first one at where are we at? 2 hours at 55.30. Started going in my favor, so I bought another one. A little premature, I guess, at 61.05. Started to go against me, so I bought another one at 47.05. I'm all in there at 16.3. Sold the first two at 11 for 11. Excuse me, 11.7. And then I sold that last one at 56.20. So 980. Made 980. I guess 2 hours. I mean, I'm still showing this video, so 2 hours later, I'm 980. Again, I was up like 1,400, and again, we've been up a lot more. So here's the upside, and the down. Came back, bounced down, then there, 980. Look at that week. I don't know what that means, but look at that week. And then for the last 30 days. So we're doing all right. We're hitting our goals. I just feel like it's hard to be patient. I want to let this ride. It's hard to be patient when you have a lot of money on the line. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go over to Apple and look at it and see if I can find a shorter term, longer play. I know I missed a lot of the action today, but look at Apple. It was just falling. So I missed a lot of that, but we'll take a longer look at it. See, this is all we consider consolidation. I mean, even though it's $5 difference, which is quite a bit, that's just all in that same area, and it's just back and forth, back and forth. So taking swing trades on that is a little more tricky. So we'll see if I can get into that, but I'll keep you updated. The Apple contract that I got into on Friday went way against me. Let's see if I can. So yeah, this was Apple. It went way against me. Came back. Ended up making. There was my zero. Ended up making $6. I'll hit pause and I'll come back to that one real quick. All right, so I'm back with this one. This was today. Negatives, and I don't know what that's for. Some stock that's being owned. I don't know if it'll show up in the 1 week. Yeah, so the second was Friday. You can see that it just kind of fell off, and then Monday it came back, and then we were up $6. So after all that, we made $6. But in the month, really since September 25th, made a couple other trades, right? But we're up $105 for the month. I mean, for not doing a whole lot, we're up. Okay, so just wanted to show you that. I'll go back to the chart. Amazon been still doing great, right? On the hourly chart, still doing great. Anyway, if you like the button, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, turn on notifications, share. If you want Robinhood link, that's click below. You and me will get a free stock. If you want Acorns, free $5. Click the link below. You and me will both get free $5. Sign up for Yotta, which is a high interest savings account. They have like a lottery drawing system once a week. Each $25 that you deposit, you get a lottery ticket, and you can win up to $10 million. I'll leave a couple links down below for a couple YouTube channels that show you how to read these candlesticks, read these trends, good entry points, all that stuff. So, I mean, you can read this trend. You can see that it's heading down. You just find a support level, which looks like one's coming up right about there, right? Because you got a low, you got a couple peaks over here. So they might find some support around here. Well, actually, they did already found their support. So look for it to come down here, test it again. If it breaks through, it'll keep going. If it tests again and bounces up, chances are it'll go up to the next resistant line, which will be right here. So chances are, nothing's for sure, but if you know candlesticks, if you know support and resistance, it'll help you be a little more confident. The next thing I found was, I don't even know if I can pull it up or not, but is it Start Engine? Yeah, startengine.com. You can become a venture capitalist and invest in these startup companies. Some are $100, some are $250, some are $500, but you're buying shares of a startup company. I'm been doing some research on it, and I don't know if we can invest $1,000 maybe in a year toward a company and it opens up. Who knows? Yeah, you may fall on the next Amazon. And I was looking at this solar panel company with flexible solar panels, so you can put them on basically anything. There is a $12 billion potential industry, and they're valued at $67 million right now. I mean, if you can get even half of that 12 billion, you're looking at 100 times your money. So who knows, right? That'll be something to invest in if you want to be one of those investors who makes a bunch of money but you don't know how. Start Engine. It's that dude from Shark Tank. I don't know, Mr. Wonderful. Uh, his face is all over this, so I don't know exactly how he's a part of it, if it's his company or what. But I've been looking into that. Maybe tomorrow I'll leave a link. Um, I mean, you can just literally type in startengine.com, look at it for yourself. I mean, that's about it for today. We're 40 minutes in. I did 980, I believe, in roughly 2 hours, so I'm gonna call it a day. Peace.